Super gadget. This stainless steel colander with handle and legs by Hiramware is a remarkable addition to any kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this colander is not only durable but also stylish with its attractive green color. The heavy-duty construction ensures that it can withstand even the toughest kitchen tasks. Measuring at 10.5 inches in length, width, and 4.1 inches in height, this colander offers ample space for straining fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more. Despite its sturdy build, it only weighs 7.76 ounces, making it easy to handle and store. One of the standout features of this colander is its dishwasher-safe design, allowing for convenient and effortless cleaning after use. The UPC of 7402-294-86987, ASIN of B07JWBV923, and the item model number 85419624111 provide easy identification and tracking. With an impressive customer review rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 9578 ratings, it's evident that this colander is highly regarded by users.
The amazing gadget. The Ninja BC151BK Blast. Portable Blender by Ninja is an innovative kitchen gadget designed to make blending on the go a breeze. This sleek and modern blender in black color is not only stylish but also highly functional. With its portable and lightweight design, the Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender is perfect for those who are constantly on the move. Whether you're heading to the gym, office, or traveling, this cordless blender allows you to enjoy your favorite blended drinks wherever you are. One of the standout features of this blender is its removable blade, making it easy to clean and maintain. The 18 fluid ounce blending vessel is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and performance. Equipped with a 7.4V USB-C rechargeable motor base, this blender offers one-speed operation controlled by a digital touch interface. The inclusion of an easy open sip lid with a carrying handle enhances its portability and convenience. Moreover,
the KitchenAid Stand Mixer is a high-quality kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking and baking experience. With its sleek black color and durable construction using stainless steel, plastic, and ABS materials, this mixer is both stylish and long-lasting. Equipped with stainless steel blades and 6 different speeds, this mixer offers versatility and precision for all your mixing needs. The generous capacity of 6.5 quarts allows you to prepare large batches of dough or batter with ease. The 660-watt motor ensures powerful performance, while the knob controls make it simple to adjust settings according to your recipe. Although not dishwasher safe, the stainless steel container is easy to clean by hand, maintaining its pristine look over time. The KitchenAid Stand Mixer is lightweight.
Awesome gadget. The Spring Chef Premium Swivel. Vegetable peeler is a top-notch kitchen tool that combines functionality and durability. Engineered by the reputable brand Spring Chef, this vegetable peeler is designed to make your food preparation process smoother and more efficient. Crafted in sleek black color, this vegetable peeler is not only visually appealing but also built to last. The rust-proof and heavy-duty stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting sharpness for effortless peeling of various vegetables. The swivel feature allows the blade to follow the contours of the vegetables, reducing wastage and increasing efficiency. One standout feature of this vegetable peeler is its ergonomic design with a non-slip rubber handle, providing a comfortable grip and reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The 7.5 odd L x 1.5 W dimensions make it easy to maneuver and control while peeling vegetables of all shapes and sizes. With 2 straight blades, this manual operation
Super Gadget. The 5009 Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener by Kitchen is a reliable tool designed to keep your knives sharp and precise for efficient kitchen performance. Crafted from durable plastic, this sharpener embodies quality and functionality. With dimensions of 374 L, 205 or 177H and weighing only 0.5 ounces, the Edge Grip Sharpener is compact and lightweight for easy handling and storage. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen tools collection. Featuring a fine grit type, this sharpener is suitable for honing and maintaining the sharpness of various types of knives. The trusted manufacturer, Smith's Consumer Products Inc., ensures quality craftsmanship and performance in this product. The 2-stage sharpening process allows you to first refine the edge with the coarse slot, and then hone and polish with the fine slot, resulting in razor-sharp blades every time. The edge grip design offers stability and precision during sharpen,